Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up no-go zones or virtual walls in Mova E20. If you want to set a virtual wall or no-go zone, click on no-go zone in the app. Then here, first I'm gonna show you the virtual wall so you can prevent your robot to, for example, getting in a certain part of your home, for example the staircase. Of course your robot will automatically detect when it's on a staircase and it will not go down, but to prevent it from even going there, to make it more secure, you can just add a virtual wall. Do it, click on virtual wall, then you can move these dots to move the wall. And let's say I have the staircase here going down, so when I have this wall here, then the robot will not go past this wall. And remember to always hit on approve after changing it. Or if you want to delete it, select it, then click on X. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up a no-go zone. So for example, when you have a rug that you don't want your robot to go on, or any other thing that it may get stuck on, then just select no-go zone. Now you can resize it and place it where you want it. Then your robot will never go there. And to approve, hit here. And of course, to delete the zone, click on X. And now I'm gonna also show you the no mop zone, so the zone where your robot will go and vacuum, but it will not mop. Click on no mop zone, and then you can also resize it as well. It can be, for example, a rug that you don't want to get wet. And you can also place it in different places. You can add a no-go zone somewhere and the virtual wall as well. And when it's all set, remember to save it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.